I hope everyone is healthy and safe. This is me, Diksha from Innerdots. Thank you so much, guys, for taking out time for this live session. Let me give a brief idea about Innerdots. As we are a community that aims to empower a creative brands, we provide technological-driven mobile app where you can consume live on art, music, yoga, cooking and baking, photography, and much more. And our app will be available in coming weeks. Today also we are very lucky to have Prisha among us. She is going to teach you all watercolor painting. She has been drawing and painting since her nursery days as stationery has fascinated her and fascinates her a lot. And guys, one more announcement I have. At the end of the session, take a picture of your artwork, tag us using Inner Dots, and also use hashtag Inner Dots app. We'll feature each one of you on our story. And also you can share your artwork in our Facebook group, ID Creatives. Link will be provided in link in bio on our Instagram page. Now let me hand over to Prisha. Over to you, Prisha. Thank you.
Diksha, thank you for my introduction. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm going to teach you watercolor painting. So without wasting any time, let us proceed. I'll just take few seconds to set up my camera. Is it visible?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes,
ma'am.
it is.
Okay, so I'll introduce you to my art supplies. These are the brushes which I'll be using today. This is 0 number, this is 2 and this is 6. This is my painting palette. It always remains messy. These are the watercolors from Brustro. And this is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so let us start. We are going to draw a circle first. I hope you all are doing with me. Diksha, can you please pin my screen?
Prisha, someone is asking radius of the circle.
You can take 5 centimeter radius. 5 or 6 centimeter, any. Once you are done, please write in the chat box so that I can proceed.
Can you pin your screen? I can't see what are we doing.
Is it visible now?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's visible.
Okay, so we will proceed. So first, you can take violet color. After applying one layer of violet color, please add some water so that the next color mixes well with the violet color. Now I'll be adding crimson color.
Guys, if you have any question, ask her. She will love to answer.
Yeah, you can
मैम
unmute.
आपने मैम वायलेट कलर के बाद कौन सा कलर यूज किया है?
Sorry.
मैम आपने वायलेट कलर के बाद कौन सा कलर यूज किया है?
Crimson color. You can use red also. Also add the second layer of violet color because these are watercolors.
Prisha, someone is asking that show them how you're mixing your color.
I'm just
in the
adding
palette.
water. Like first I did violet color, then I added some water. After that, upon the water, I added crimson color or red color. I'll show you again, just see. This technique is also known as wet on wet technique because we are doing it on water. After every layer, keep on adding water. After crimson or red, you can add orange and a bit of yellow.
Prisha, we can give them 1 minute or 2.
Yeah, sure.
First, you are applying water, then directly you are applying that watercolor paint,
Paint on
right?
it. Yes.
Acha, okay. Okay. Thank you. Guys, you can also show your work if you have done. Salma.
You can turn on your camera so that I can see your work and guide you. 300 GSM watercolor paper from Brewstro.
Very nice, man. Rishabh.
Nice work, me.
Okay, Saiba, she is also very nice. Very nice. And then that be Star Boy. Guys, don't forget to share with us, tagging Inner Dots. Amazing work, Nuripsan. Very
Hello,
nice.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any difference between watercolor paper or normal
You are not completely audible, Poonam. Difference in watercolor paper
Watercolor paper and
watercolor paper and normal paper?
yes, watercolor paper are 300 GSM and normal paper are 90 GSM. So we are applying water on watercolor paper. So the
Okay.
basic difference is watercolor paper holds water more
Okay, okay.
and normal paper won't hold water. The paper will get wet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, shall we proceed?
Yeah, we can start. Yeah,
Again,
very nice, Kavya.
again repeat the same process. Start adding violet color. Thereafter crimson or red. Make sure your paper is wet. Otherwise the color won't mix. Okay, so as we are going to create shadow, we need to add the layer completely in the opposite way you have added firstly. So now we will again add orange, then red, and then violet.
Tisha, we can wait for 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Once you are done, please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, could you please check my work?
Sorry.
Yeah, sure, Saiba. She's showing her work.
Oh, okay.
Wow, very
That's
good.
really beautiful. Very nice.
Very nicely done.
Thank you so much.
You all are doing amazing work. Very nice. Akshata, Anant, Rishabh, Kavya. Amazing. Very nice. Nurefsan, very nice.
If you have any questions, please unmute yourself and ask.
Oh, wow, me. It's not clearly visible. Yeah, now it's visible. Very nice.
Ma'am, please show us the color which you are using.
I am using Brewstro watercolor.
Can you, ma'am, please show? Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
How many colors are there in that complete set?
It comes in 2 different packs. So I have bought 24 shades and another is available for 12 shades.
Okay. What's the price of that? Someone is asking price.
It is approximately around 800 for 24 shades and 450 around for 12 shades.
Okay. You can also show your artwork, which you have already done.
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Please do see mine once.
Yeah, you can turn on your screen. Wow, that's really
Wow,
beautiful.
Akshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just add one more layer of violet color on the top and try to mix it with red.
Okay.
We can proceed now, I guess. Everyone has done.
Okay, so
Very
I'll
nice,
show
Kavya.
some of my work.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you, Lavisha. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Anand.
Ma'am,
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, Akshita.
Yeah, now it is
Nice.
perfect. Nice, very beautiful.
ma'am, you only do watercolors or acrylics types?
Sorry, can you repeat?
You only do watercolors or acrylics too? I think these are acrylics, right?
No, these are watercolors.
Oh, fabulous. Wow.
Very nice work, Rishabh.
Yeah, now we can continue, Krisha.
Okay.
Ma'am, for mandala, we can use this paper only, 300 GSM watercolor paper, or some different paper is there for mandala work?
For mandala, you can also use this 300 GSM paper. Or if you do not want to use watercolors along with mandala, you can use normal paper.
मतलब
90 GSM around.
90 GSM पे we can do mandala?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But if you are using watercolors, then I would prefer you to use 300 GSM.
Okay, 300 GSM watercolor paper.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very nice.
Just let your painting dry completely because we are going to add black color on it. So for this, you can use either sketch pens or any black pen, or you can even use watercolors if you're comfortable with it. Whatever you have available. Okay, so I'm using this black pen from Micron. Just divide your work into half. It need not be a very perfect line. I'll use watercolors for creating buildings. You can use sketch pen or whatever.
We are filling it with a black watercolor, right?
Yes, they can even use sketch pens or black pen, mandala pen, whatever they are.
Okay.
No, the half need not be a perfect half.
Isha, you're adding water in that or not?
No,
Like
I'm
in
not
that
adding
black
water.
one. Okay.
I'm not adding water. If I will
Directly
add
you're
water,
applying.
sorry.
You're directly applying that black one,
Yes,
right?
I'm directly applying color. You add water only when you are trying to mix the colors. Like I've created a gradient effect in this one. So for that, we need to add water.
Very nice, Anand. Rishabh too. Amazing work, guys.
Once you're done, please write in the chat box. Done.
Very nice, May. Amazing.
I'll
Wow.
wait for a minute, then we will proceed further.
Yeah, sure. Your camera turned off, Krisha.
Is it visible?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Ma'am, may I do something else?
No, it is fine. You are not using watercolor paper, I guess. Okay, so now we have to create shadows of these buildings which we have drawn. It need not be a very perfect one. Yes, Anand, you have used more of water. If you are using a normal paper and you will add more water, then the paper will get completely wet and parts from the paper will come out.
Again, directly we are applying that black color, right?
Yes,
Not
yes,
adding water.
yes.
Krisha, what's the price of that 300 GSM Bristow paper?
Okay, so I bought them for 396 rupees from Amazon for 24 A4 size sheets. You can even use Canson sheets. They're also good. Are you all done with the work?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Wow, that's really beautiful.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait. Okay, so now we will add detailings to the painting, like we will make windows or create shadows. Using white color, we will create windows.
Houses.
Please make sure that the black color is completely
Oh,
dried.
wow, nice.
Wow, Urmila.
We are using round brush or flat one?
I'm using round brush.
Okay.
This one is from Camlin.
Ma'am, I feel I need to wait because the black paint is still drying.
Yeah, okay. Diksha, is it properly visible?
Yeah, it's properly visible to me. I hope for everyone it's clearly visible.
The layer is dried, then you can start painting.
Are you using white color?
Yeah, I'm using white color
Thank you.
for windows. It is not necessary to make windows in all buildings. You can randomly make them in any building. That's really beautiful, Akshita. Now make some windows in the buildings which are in the shadow part.
Wow, it really looks nice, Disha.
After making this, please divide the buildings into half, like separate the shadows and the building. Again, that need not be a perfectly straight line.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very nice, Anand. Amazing.
Oh, that's beautiful. We have to create shadows.
Okay.
Shall I proceed?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I done it.
Nice. Very nice.
It's amazing.
Very nice, Saiba.
Now for creating shadows, we will add some random lines using white and black color. It will give an effect of shadow. Water effect. Use both black and white color for creating this effect.
Nice, Anand. Very nice, Saiba. Amazing.
Great work, Akshita.
Don't forget to share with us, Akshita, Rishabh, Saiba.
Done.
It
Ma'am,
was
I just have
beautiful,
one
Rishabh. Amazing.
question.
I've created this girl using this same painting. You can try different paintings using this technique.
We just have to tag inner tags.
Tag inner dots, and you can also use hashtag inner dots app. Already mentioned in chat box.
So as when you, how you do the black color, how you, it's in between the white or what? The black.
Yeah, the black is between white. I've just randomly added some lines.
Oh,
Very nice, Rishabh. I hope everyone have enjoyed the session.
We enjoyed the session very much.
Also, if you have any queries, you can DM me. Diksha, can you please pin the
Yeah.
comment mentioning my Instagram handle?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Krishna ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, have you used any stencil for that lady which you made, that girl?
No. I've just drawn this basic outline.
Okay.
And then the same process
Added
which we did in the painting today.
Okay, thank you.
If you
Ma'am,
want,
are you using any kind of masking tape for your drawings?
no, I'm just using pencil basic.
Okay.
Guys, if you have any query, you can directly ask her. You can DM her. I've mentioned her Insta handle.
Ma'am, is this fine?
Can you look at me?
It is not clearly
Very
visible.
nice. Mirab-san, amazing.
Thanks.
Bhavya, it's not clearly visible.
Ma'am, just fine.
Yeah, amazing work. So thank you so much, guys. It's time to wrap up this session. Hope everyone have enjoyed it to the fullest. See you all next time. Until then, take care, guys. Stay at home.
Thanks,
Take
Inner
care.
Dots. Thanks, Krishna ma'am, for creating such a platform. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
So,